just randomly picking up my camera today because I feel like I'm not quite sure where I want to go with my YouTube channel. And I think the one thing that oops, my battery died. Okay, so I feel like at this point where I'm at with what I want to do with everything I've created over the past 10 years, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my blog, my book. In the past, I've always really tried to create content that was, number one, authentic, but also try to gear it around popular topics, things that I know people want to hear about, and that can be a lot of pressure sometimes, because if I could just choose the topic that I wanted to do a video on or a podcast episode on at all times, then I think it would be a lot less stressful, and I could be in this state of flow more often. And that's where I'm at. I kind of feel like at this point I'm going to 100% remove the pressure that I feel to create content that I know people will be interested in. And I'm just gonna do more vlogs. And the reason why I've never really done vlogs is because I've done a few here and there, and they don't do very well on YouTube. So I've always tried to find like popular trending topics and kind of make it my own. One thing being room makeovers. Like, I love to redo my bedrooms and all the different places in my home, but it's not what I'm 100% passionate about. So I create a lot of videos on that because it's popular. Those are my most popular, most viewed videos. So it's been fun. I like to do it, but it's not my biggest passion, and I would like to be a little more open and vulnerable about my everyday life and things that I'm thinking and feeling and going through. And so that's what I think I want to do. I want to do more vlogs. I don't think I could ever be the type of person that could do daily vlogs, because I feel like that removes a lot of like your ability to actually live in the present moment, because you're always having the camera in your face and trying to think of trying to make sure that you're videotaping often. So I think a weekly vlog is more doable and more realistic and feels like something that I can do and that I would actually enjoy doing. I may not get a lot of views. It might not be something that people are interested in, but at this point I just feel like I don't even care. I just want to do what I want to do. And if anything, these weekly vlogs, or however often I decide to do vlogs, will be for my own personal use, my own personal history for me to look back on. And instead of writing in my journal, I do love to write, but I think video vlogs would be a fun way for me to document my life, even when I'm feeling uninspired and unmotivated to do things that I feel I think I should be doing, right? So yeah, I want to do a little bit more of that and just kind of remove all the pressure that I always tend to put on myself to make sure that I'm keeping up with everything, like keeping up with social media, keeping up with what's trending, what's popular. I'm just really tired of all that. I'll still do videos that are not like vlogs. I'm still planning on doing that. I have a lot of ideas and things I want to share, but I'm not going to have so much pressure on myself to keep up with all of that. Look for more video vlogs, and I'll be getting a little more personal on, you know, exactly what I'm going through, what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling and experiencing. We've got a lot of changes happening in our lives right now, and I've been feeling maybe that's the reason why I'm feeling unmotivated to do all the things that I've been doing for the past 10 years on my blog. But yeah, I'll be sharing more of that, what our plans are moving forward. I've already shared the whole faith transition and how we've left the Mormon Church, and that's we're going on almost 2 years now since we left the Mormon Church, and that was a big transition. And I feel like I'm just now getting to a place of I can be calm and at peace with all of this, because there's a lot that you have to work through when you leave your lifelong religion. But we're continuing to make big changes, and I'll be sharing more of that very soon. So, thanks you guys for watching.